Sorry. Hello?
I don't even ask questions anymore. You just let it happen.
Hello. Welcome. Are we going to talk or just go straight into the act?
Bonkers. Totally bonkers.
We enjoyed it, didn't we?
We loved it. Our kids will love this act. By the way, so do I. You know, he turned from a lump into tropical birds of paradise and sang.
It would be lovely at a children's party.
Oh, I love it when you laugh like that.
Oh, my God. I mean, I hate it. That's me. I'm on my own.
Don't be about the bush. Tell us what you think.
David, you start.
Of course, I'm going to say yes.
For the kids. What? Yes.
No, I'm saying no.
Boo, boo, boo. 3 yeses, you're through to the next round.
See you next time.
Bye.
You just put 5 limbed puppets in. I mean, what's going to happen next?
Has Britain still got talent?
Sometimes, yes.
Sometimes, you just
Mostly.
about to say.